to the home care scandal, Primetime Investigates.
Thank you very much. First of all, we would just like to thank the families who participated in this programme, and without their support, we would have been unable to make this programme. We had the privilege of working with a fantastic, talented team of people. Mark Lapin here, who's director-producer. We had three fantastic carers, Caoimhe Delaney, Anna Matushik, and Eunice Naningwa. We had two fantastic researchers, Rory McKenna and Hilary Curley, a fantastic cameraman by the name of Matt Naughton, and editor John Paul Short. It has, as you know, been a very difficult few months for news and current affairs within RTE, but this is a very important recognition of the importance of investigative journalism and the importance that RTE continues to turn out good investigative documentaries going forward, and we'd like to thank you very, very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.